Here's how you import an image into Snap or BYOB. The first thing I did was go to Google Images and download an image onto my desktop, one that I wanted. Now I'm going to go to Costumes and see if I can find that image on my desktop. So here I am in Costumes. This is the default image. I'm going to import another image. And sure enough, on my desktop, I saved an image pizza. Of course, you can save the image anywhere you like as long as you navigate to it. So I'll select that. And there is my pizza. As simple as that. Now I can get rid of this default image. I can just X that out. And then one thing that you might want to do after you import images is get rid of the background. Oftentimes, and I'll edit this if I click Edit, and let me zoom out, you can see that the background is really white and there's some writing here. So the easiest way to get rid of that background is you go to this paint bucket, say flood fill tool, a fill tool. So I'll go to that and I'll select the lower right little square there. It looks like a checkerboard. It's actually a clear fill. So if I select that with the eyedropper and then use the paint bucket tool again and flood fill, you can see that the entire background has now become clear. I know it looks like this checkerboard, but it'll show up clear, and you definitely want to do that. And there's a little bit, if you're picky, there's a little bit right here, and I am picky, so I'm going to hit my eraser tool and just erase, look like some kind of copyright statement or something like that. So I'll get rid of that. And that's it. The other thing which is often useful to do is to center your image where you want it. So I'm going to go to this Set Costume Center. And this is already pretty good. I see the crosshairs are right about where I'd want them, right in the middle. And I often like to center things in the middle. That way when you rotate a sprite, it rotates around the center point. It just looks a little bit better when you do that. Otherwise, when you rotate, it looks lopsided. So that's okay. Now you don't have to center things, but depending on what you want to do, so I'll hit OK. And that's it. That is my image, and you can see I cleaned up the background. And you can see there's no background around it now. So that'll come out a lot nicer when you use that image in your scripts. That's it.